Here I have Nokia 110 4G, and today I'm going to show you how to remove battery from this device. So to remove battery, all you need to do is to just remove back cover first, and under the back cover you can find your battery and you can remove it just like this. And here you have your battery, and here you have your device. So if you want to put it back in, just put it back in like this, and put back cover, and turn your device back on by holding down this decline call button. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.